Everyone knows what happens when you open a bottle of nail polish. Those nasty fumes clear the room. Husbands ask wives to take it outside. Little children are kept at bay. Anything that smells that bad can't be healthy for us or the planet, and it isn't. If you were looking for a fumeless, healthier polish, your search is ended. My name is Dr. Lynn Lamb, and for the past 30 years, I have helped guide tens of thousands of women towards healthier lives. I found the greatest satisfaction not in hours of reconstructive surgery or elaborate treatments, but rather when I could empower women with knowledge. This allowed them to make their own decisions and create their own joy in their lives. To give yourself a manicure and wear the colors that express you is extremely empowering. Unfortunately, nail polish is so toxic, it's not recommended for those who need the control and joy in their lives the most. For example, people who have cancer, women who are pregnant, those surrounded by little children. It makes you wonder if any of us should be using nail polish, especially when you consider that it's hazardous waste. Kapa Nui arose because we knew alternatives could be made, and we wanted to give all women what they deserve. So we created a complete line of body-safe, planet-safe nail polish products. Kapa Nui Nails is the epitome of the clean and green beauty movement today, as we all reconsider our purchases, from foods to household products to cosmetics. None of our products do damage to your nails, do damage to your health, or do damage to natural life. Hawaii has always led the country in environmental responsibility, and we are extremely proud to forward that commitment. Our islands are full of natural color, deeply rooted, vibrant, alive. We created each of our colors and their specific names in celebration and honor of where we grew up and where we raised our families. We want everyone who wears our colors to feel the aloha and to dream of being in our beautiful surroundings. Right now, I know what all the women in the audience are asking, but does it work? The answer is yes. See what our customers have to say. Also, many of you have damaged nails from years of lacquer gel use or just the years alone. For you, we created a 100% natural nail treatment that nurses those nails back to natural health. Kapa Nui Nails launched in August of 2019, and the response has been overwhelming. Our gross revenue increased 450% in the second half of our first year, and we are poised to increase distribution nationally and internationally. Nail polish is the #1 beauty product sold in the world, with more than 1 billion bottles sold every year. Those looking for us is increasing every single day as women question their noxious smelling, damaging polish. We want you to join us and know you can enjoy those gorgeous nails without compromise to your health or the planet. Mahalo.